Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine Khaidira Nur Fatihah. I'm from grade 12 Science 3, and today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade Taichan satay as my assignment for English subject, namely procedure text. But before we start, don't forget to wash your hands first. Okay, I'm done washing my hands, and next for the ingredients and tools. To make Taichan satay, the ingredients we need are chicken, 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch piece of ginger, 2 onions, 1 lime, red chilies according to the taste, salt, sugar, margarine, and water. For the tools, we need Teflon pan, food tongs, kind of traditional grinder stone, blend mixer, spoon, skewers, and also plate. First, grind a clove of garlic and ginger until smooth on traditional grinding stone. Next, mix well the garlic and ginger with the chicken that has been cut into squares. Then squeeze the lime and let the chicken sit for 10 minutes so that the spices sink in. While waiting for 10 minutes, we will make the chili sauce. Put the chilies, garlic, onions, and water into the mixer and then mix well. Next, cook the chili sauce on the Teflon pan. Add salt, sugar, lime, and stir until thickened. Next, put the chicken on the skewers. Then heat the Teflon pan and melt the margarine. Bake the chicken on the pan, flip over so that they are cooked perfectly. The last step, put the satay on the plate and pour the chili sauce. Finally, Taichan satay is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.